Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can order Revolut physical card. Unfortunately, Revolut isn't available on my country, but it's really easy to go ahead and order your card. So the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and navigate through your home screen on the application right here, which will look something like this. Now inside your home screen, you then want to simply click on the card icon right here. Now, after clicking on the card icon, you will then be taken to this page where you will be able to see all of your previous cards on which to go ahead and order a physical one. You just have to click on the Add New button. After clicking on the Add New button, it will then take you to which or what type of card do you want to add. It's going to be physical, virtual, or single use. Of course, you just want to select your physical card, choose your favorite card design, or customize it yourself. Now, after choosing that option, it will then redirect you into this page where you then have the ability to choose between the standard card, the customized card, and the premium card. Now, for the premium ones, you then have to be subscribed for the Revolut in order to get those. But if you just want to get the basic one, which is going to be the standard version right here, you just want to click on the Get Card, confirm your delivery address, and then you should be good to go. Now, you have to go ahead and pay the delivery fee from €5.99. Now you can just convert it into dollar if you want to. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.